truck is trying to turn around on a narrow road compared to its size. Unfortunately, during the turn, the car collided with an iron pillar, causing damage to the front of the car. The extremely smooth way the driver reversed the giant truck clearly showed his top driving skills. The heavy man truck is moving very slowly and carefully to be able to cross this small bridge. Impressively, this tractor is really sturdy. Its powerful ability to move on terrain full of mud holes without any difficulty. The driver's excellent truck driving skills were truly evident when he drove the Scania V8 into a small alley. His dexterity and patience in maneuvering the large vehicle on a narrow stretch of road was admirable. The KRAZ 255B1 crossing the river is a challenging task and requires the skill and ability of the driver. Articulated trucks were forced to make an emergency U-turn due to road closures due to flooding during the Genoa-Rivarotto floods. Even though the 18-wheeler truck driver tried to make a right turn in Chicago, it appears he failed. A truly great driver, he knew exactly what to do with such a small road. This giant articulated truck is stuck in the middle of a small road in Wales, UK. The video captured the excellence of the driver's driving skills as he drove a large, long Mercedes into a small gate.c. Success in this is often the result of many years of experience and confidence in driving the vehicle in such difficult situations. Moving smoothly without any problems, even when there are trees and cars parked in front, is pure driving skill. An HGV tries and fails to navigate a mini roundabout in Bognor. Immediately after that, the driver must go straight to avoid causing traffic jams there. The MS truck was stuck in Lincoln Precinct. The driver was extremely calm and quickly handled this dilemma. The vehicle carrying the 400-ton cable reel was facing an extremely difficult challenge as it tried to climb the mountainside. They even need the support of the car in front to use chains to pull this car through the difficult curve. The art of turning giant trucks around is truly a unique and important skill of professional drivers. Requires skill, experience, and the ability to quickly and accurately assess situations that not everyone can do. This man is truly an excellent example of a great driver. With such a long truck, he is able to reverse accurately and smoothly.